Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help you replace your Ford Transit gas door. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement gas door for your specific Ford Transit model. Before starting, park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's remove the old gas door. Begin by carefully prying off the trim piece surrounding the gas door opening. Use your trim removal tool to avoid scratching the paint. Next, identify and unscrew any visible fasteners that hold the old gas door in place. Once all fasteners are removed, gently detach the entire old gas door assembly from your Ford Transit. With the old door removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new gas door assembly with the opening on your Ford Transit. Ensure it sits flush and correctly. Then, secure the new door using the screws or fasteners you removed earlier, tightening them appropriately. Finally, reattach the trim piece, making sure it snaps firmly and evenly into its original position. To complete the process, perform some final checks. Open and close the new gas door several times to ensure it operates smoothly and latches securely. Inspect the area around the installed door for any gaps or misalignments. If everything looks good, you're all set. For added longevity, you might consider applying a small amount of silicone lubricant to the hinge mechanism.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.